ध्रुवं तयैव मुच्यन्ते यां मूर्तिं प्रतिषेध गुरुः शिष्याणां योग्यताभिज्ञो विघ्नहानिस्तु तद्युगे अवतीर्ण हरेर्मूर्त्या तत्पूर्वयुगजेन च नृसिंहमूर्त्या च तथा यां चान्यां प्रतिषेध गुरुः. This shloka from Bhagavad Tatparya of Acharya Madhva describes the importance of a mentor in the life of a disciple. The mentor who knows the nature and the eligibility of his disciple teaches him a particular form of God, and the disciple thereafter is supposed to meditate upon that form of God, and he gets liberated from this worldly life finally. There comes a plethora of obstacles in the life of all of us, especially in our spiritual life. But there is a secured way to repel those obstacles. The seeker or the devotee has to meditate upon the form of God concerned to that yuga or the previous yuga. For example, the Lord appeared in Kali Yuga and Dwapar Yuga as Krishna. So, meditating upon the incarnations of Lord as Krishna in Kali Yuga and Dwapar Yuga, and other forms of the Lord as Rama, Parshurama, concerned to other yugas, can repel all the obstacles. Or there is a common way to repel all the obstacles, that is the meditation upon the form of Narasimha. This can be done by the seekers of all the yugas, such as Krita, Treta, Dwapara and Kali. Sometimes the Guru, mentor, teaches a particular form of God only with an intention to ward off the obstacles in the life of his disciple. Once the obstacles are repelled, the disciple can continue his meditation and get liberated from this worldly life finally.